Everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1966 Fastback Mustang here. We just got in. Beautiful 289 C4 automatic trans, 2+2, just a beautiful car. Vintage burgundy with a parchment interior. Does have power steering and power disc brake. Fog lamps work on the car. It's got the rear GT rear valance. Just a nice stand-up car, really solid car. Beautiful undercarriage, beautiful door jambs. 15-inch Cragar wheels, Bib Goodrich radial TA tires, white letters. This car runs and drives fantastic. I just drove it. Everything in this car works. It's not a squeak and rattle trap like most of them are. This thing is tight and it drives straight, stops nice, shifts nice. This is a nice car. All the gaps are nice. It's an older restoration. You can tell they really took good care of it over the years. Beautiful paint. There are a couple flaws you got to hunt down, but outside it looks fantastic. Beautiful interior. It's got the rally pack with the clock and the tack that all works. All the jambs are detailed, all new rubber seals. They added a center console in it that it is removable. I'm going to take that out. Beautiful headliner. Nice little wood wheel. They did put a Kenwood AM FM CD player in it. Some nice speakers. Fold down back seat. See the speakers back there. Back seat's all in beautiful shape. Does have the factory seat belts in it. Factory stereo was still in the dash. Nothing was cut. You just put that Kenwood just lower where nice and tastefully done. We decoded the car in its current color combination. Door shut really nice. Really like this car. I'm a Mustang fan myself, so this car gets me excited. Super straight body. I got in the car this morning, I pumped the gas twice, and it runs like this all day. Really nice and smooth. Updated the radiator with Champion aluminum in it. Nice and simple. Little 289. Power steering, power brakes. Added the bar across, a little more support. Detailed under the hood. It's got the birch tag on here. You can actually read the VINs and the fenders here, which is nice. Got the tag on it. Fastbacks don't last long, so if you're in the market, make sure you get on the phone, give us a call. This car will be sold here in probably a few days. Sounds really nice. See the way the hood shuts and lines up. Beautiful glass. The door handles, the mirrors have all been done. Bumpers have been re-chromed. And the passenger side here. Car's got a great look to it. All the interior lights work in it. I tried the heater. It's 92 degrees outside and the heater does work, so not that I need it, but it does work. It's got the factory dual exhaust on it. It's got like a glass pack style muffler. Peek underneath real quick. Nice and clean underbody. Previous owner actually added an extra leaf in the back. He was a bigger guy. It does sit a little high in the back. If you don't like it, you can always pull a leaf out of it, but it doesn't look bad in person actually. The trunk's all detailed, does have the mat. It's got a car carb in the trunk that goes all with it. The car's got a great look, it's got a good sound. It's the right one and the right colors, and it's a fastback. If you're in the market, give us a call. ShowdownAuto.com. Number's 586-791-0778. Thanks for watching. Take care.